Alrighty, today we're going to practice some writing skills. I know we've talked about blending where we put sounds together to create the words. Now I'm going to say a word and we're going to sound it out and then write it. Okay, we're going to be practicing by using those sounds that we're hearing and putting them into words. You guys ready? The first word I want us to write is the word hat. Like I put on my hat. Hat. Can you say that with me? Hat. Now we're going to sound that word hat. That's when we stretch out the sounds. Are you ready? Hat. Let's do it again. Hat. Now let's take a look at those sounds. At. What is that beginning sound? What letter? H. H makes the sound. Now let's look at the second. Ah. What letter? Ah. What letter makes that sound? Ah. A. A makes that sound. So now I write the letter A. Now the last sound. At. At. What is that last sound? T. What letter makes the T sound? The letter T. And look at that. You just wrote the word hat. At. Hat. Very good. Now we're going to practice one more word. You guys ready? We are going to practice the word dog. What word? Dog. Now let's stretch it out. Dog. Dog. Again. Dog. Dog. Now let's look into those sounds. D-o-g. What is that beginning sound? D. That is the letter D. Very good. Now the letter D, we always make our C first because C comes before D. And then our line. Very good. Now, D-o. What letter? O. O says the O sound. O. Now our last sound. D-o-g. G. What letter? G. Very good. Now we write the letter G. Dog. D-o-g. Dog. Very good. Now we're going to practice one last word. You ready? Bed. I go to sleep in my bed. Can you say bed? Bed. Let's stretch it out. Bed. Bed. Again. Bed. Bed. Now let's figure out those sounds. B-ed. What is the beginning sound? What letter? B. Now remember, when we do B, we always do the line and then our bump. B. Very good. What is the next sound, our middle sound? B-e. What sound? E. What letter makes the E sound? E. E. Very good. Now for that last sound. B-e. What letter makes the D sound? The letter D. And remember, when we're writing the letter D, the C always comes before the D. So we always do our C and then our line. Very good. Bed. 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 Good job. Remember, when you're practicing your writing, always focus on those sounds. Keep on practicing.